Intro music plays. Welcome back, Buy Smart family. Today, we're comparing two popular steam cleaners, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the TVD Steam Cleaner. Both promise to make your cleaning tasks easier, but which one truly delivers? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about price. The Steam & Go is priced at $99, making it a budget-friendly option. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness for everyday cleaning tasks, especially on laminate floors. Meanwhile, the TVD Steam Cleaner comes in at $179, which some users feel justifies the investment due to its versatility and performance. While the Steam & Go is great for those looking to save, the TVD is seen as a premium choice. Next up is tank capacity. The Steam & Go features a decent water tank, but the TVD boasts a massive 52 ounces tank, allowing for longer cleaning sessions. Reviewers of the TVD highlight its ability to tackle larger areas without frequent refills, while the Steam & Go, although effective, may require more frequent water changes during extensive cleaning tasks. Now let's discuss heat-up time. The TVD is ready to go in just 8 minutes, which is a huge plus for those on a tight schedule. Users rave about how quickly it heats up, making it perfect for urgent cleaning needs. On the other hand, the Steam & Go doesn't heat up as quickly, which can be a drawback for those in a hurry. Reviewers appreciate the convenience of the TVD's fast heat-up time. Versatility is another important factor. The Steam & Go offers 10-in-1 features, making it suitable for floors, curtains, and upholstery. Reviewers enjoy its multiple attachments, although some mention limitations for certain tasks. The TVD, however, is described as the Swiss Army knife of steam cleaners, with reviewers noting its ability to handle everything from wallpaper removal to car cleaning. The sheer number of uses makes it a favorite among users who need a multi-purpose tool. Safety is essential when using steam cleaners. The Steam & Go is noted for its sturdy design, while the TVD stands out with its steam engine lock feature, which adds an extra layer of safety. Reviewers appreciate this feature, noting that it helps prevent accidental burns. Both products are designed with safety in mind, but the TVD's additional measures give it a slight edge in this category. Finally, let's talk accessories. The TVD comes with an impressive 28 accessories, making it a comprehensive cleaning solution. Reviewers are thrilled with the variety of tools available, allowing them to tackle various cleaning jobs. In contrast, the Steam & Go provides fewer attachments, which some users find limiting, although they still appreciate the quality of those included. Overall, reviewers find the Steam & Go to be a solid, budget-friendly option for everyday cleaning tasks, though it may have some limitations in durability and versatility. The TVD Steam Cleaner, on the other hand, is praised for its powerful performance and extensive capabilities, making it worth the higher price for those who need a versatile cleaning tool. So which steam cleaner should you go for? If you want a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, the Steam & Go is your buddy. But if you're ready to invest in a cleaning powerhouse that can tackle just about anything, the TVD is calling your name. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Links to both products are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Outro music plays. End screen with video suggestions.